Well, I hope it sounds better than that once it's on the car. So after 7 years of owning my Suburban, it's about time I stuck a decent sounding muffler on this thing. Now, a little bit of a story. These would normally have 2 cats from factory. The front one has been removed well before I got it. The rear one was still in there when I bought it, and it blocked up and created issues, so I ended up cutting it out, and it's been a dodgy repair ever since. And the muffler in there now is just starting to show some signs of rusting through, so I figured, why not? It's a good time to throw a better sounding muffler on it. So after countless hours on YouTube, just listening to big blocks with exhausts and trying to figure out what muffler sound the best to me, I settled on the Flowmaster 50 Series Delta Flow. Now, this is not a muscle truck or a race car or anything like that, so it's still the stock standard TBI engine. So yeah, I don't need or really want the volume because it's a cruiser, but I still want a decent noise. So yeah, the Flowmaster is kind of what sounded best to my ears subjectively, so feel free to disagree if you think they sound crap or there's something else that sounded better. This is just what appealed to me. So we're gonna chop the old one out and just weld this new one in, and hopefully fix up some of the dodgy ass pipe work that I done many years ago, and it's just kind of been flopping about in the breeze ever since. Now this probably should have been a 3-inch bit of pipe. There's up there the Y pipe. It's you can see where it's really necked down to the 2.5 inch. But anyway, we're just going to work with what we've got. So this is where the secondary cat was, and you can see that bit's just loose. The whole section over the diff is just flopping about in the breeze pretty much. So yeah, we'll sort all that out. Probably get the hanger redone as well. Yeah, but I'll reuse a section of this pipe, weld it to the over diff, and yeah, we'll sort it out. So I'm just going to cut this out. I'll do most of that off camera, and yeah, re-weld it in. And bam, just like that, we've got a new muffler in. Don't worry, it is just the right amount of dodgy. I've only welded on the bottom half because that's all I can get my TIG welder into. Enough of this boring stuff. I know what you want. You want to see what it sounds like, don't you? So let's just do a quick before and after, and yeah, then we'll take it for a drive and see what it's like on the road. Okay, I reckon that sounds pretty mint. So with the phone decibel readings now, background noise was reading pretty well the same, around 50 decibels, just with nothing running. But when we started up, before the old muffler was around 80. Now with the Flowmaster, that was coming up around a bit over 90. I'm not sure I actually believe how close that is because it doesn't sound that much louder, but to be honest, it's not a bad level. So a smidge louder, sounds way good. So yeah, let's take it for a cruise and see what it sounds like on the road. So I've got the microphone near my ear, so hopefully you can hear what I'm hearing. Sounds pretty cool. It is definitely a little bit louder, so that's nice. I do have a reasonably steep hill just around the corner here that'll load the car up a bit, so we'll be able to get a good note. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. I'm glad I went for the 50 series, not the 40 series, because this is just the right amount of noise, I think, especially from inside the cab. Let's wind down the window, see if we can get some outside noise happening. Alright, well that's enough cruising around. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to give it a like. Throw me a comment as well. Let me know what you think it sounds like. But yeah, anyway, if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Costs you nothing. And yeah, get to see more cool content like this. Alright, cheers guys.